This is so dangerous, guys.
I know, we're like on the freaking bird.
What's up, guys? We're here in California at Long Beach, Venice. So far, there's a lot of people selling stuff on the street like art, and a lot of people scootering, skateboarding, and biking. It's everything that I saw on TV. I'm pretty excited. So it's very cool here at Venice Beach. They have this app called Bird, Enjoy the Ride. It's actually scooters you can rent out, and they're super cheap. And we're gonna actually find one and try one out. People just leave them anywhere.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I found a bird. But there's only one, and there's two of us, so I don't know how we're gonna ride this. And we're in freaking flip-flops, so it's probably a bad idea. So here, if you look over here, you can see there is a Bird app. So you just need to scan the QR code. Check it out. We better go. We better go.
Do you know how to use it?
I don't know. This is scary.
Okay, so I don't know where Claire has gone, but that scooter thing is pretty cool. So you can park it anywhere, and it shows how much charges on a scooter as well. So you can switch another one, no problem. And I really hope Claire comes back. But that's such a good idea, because like normally electronic skateboards and scooters, they're over $1,500 for a good one, and it's just too much for the average consumer. And the app is super easy to use. You can connect it to your Apple Pay, just like bam, and you can just go. Like some people make it so complicated that no one uses the app itself, but this one was really good. So we got it working, I think. And you just have to press this to go, and this is brakes, and this is the ding ding.
Show us, Mike. Oh,
oh yeah.
It's pretty cool. So it's about 15 cents per minute, and it's $1 to get started. So he just referred me, so I'll probably get free $5. He will probably get $5. But it is pretty nuts. It's basically like an electric scooter, and it just keeps on going. So look at this speedster. It's having way too much fun.
Okay, so we've arrived where we want, and we're just gonna park the Bird now. So the app is pretty cool. It tells you where you are, and then you just press lock, and your ride is over. And that's it, guys. That's it. It's so simple. So as you can see, I've ridden for 20 minutes. It costs $0 because I use a referral code. Just search it up on the internet, and you get $5 of credit for free. So you just go take a joyride. This is so dangerous, guys.
I know, we're like on the freaking bird.
Okay, I don't think it's working.
It's working, man. It's going really fast, buddy.
Once you're done with the scooter, you just park it and leave it somewhere and lock it. And that's all there is to the app. It's super easy to use. You can seriously get around a lot faster with this. And I really love this service. We approve!
Oh, it's still free. Sweet! Still free! Okay, we went 2.4 miles that time. That is crazy. So make sure you find that referral code, guys. Hey guys, so the double riding is no easy feat. Like my arms right now are so tired, and my legs are so tired from being locked up. Look at these babies. But you know, I'm really proud of me and Mike for doing this. It was really tough, but we made it back to the skate park. It's pretty crazy.
Hey guys, so that's all for today. I hope you liked the vlog. And again, it's Mike and Claire. We vlog every day, and we're almost home. 10 more days to go. And smash the like button if you liked the video, and like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in California, Los Angeles. Bye.